Welcome back to the shop. Feels good to say that. It's raining outside. I don't care, because I'm inside. Working on the SC today. We're gonna get some door cards put on. Here we go. Okay. I need glasses. Yeah. Okay. And then there's a big gaping hole where the radio used to be, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that that's not attached to anything. Nope. All right. Oh, that's broken. So we'll just break that and then bring this. Okay. Now it's in two pieces. One. Two. Why is that wet? I think the wet stuff has to come off. Ugh. That's just. Is that floral foam? Ugh. Wait. And your speaker, and wire it in. This isn't me. This isn't how I brought it to my shop. This is how it was mailed, like from the business. Turn that around. There we go. Professional. Okay. Attach speaker mount plate and your speaker and wire it in. So that's the thing about this little deal here is I don't have speakers yet. Unless I can reuse this one that I threw across the floor. Here, let me just... No, that's not the right size. Is it? No, that's little. Get out of here. What's back here? There's speakers back there. Wonder if those will fit. There's even a subwoofer back here. Wow. I don't know how to get these out though. Oh, that's broken. Oh, sorry. Jeez, I'm just ruining everything. Sorry. Oh gosh. I just... this. Oh, it's probably asbestos. Oh. Oh, jeez. I got the black lung. Okay, seriously, that's for real. I wonder how expensive that rear cover was that I just destroyed. Sorry. Okay. One more. These aren't even hooked up. Man, these things are sharp. Yeah, I just did all that for nothing. Goes like so. Really not where that goes. Put that on like that, and then I think this goes back here somehow. just gonna say that's where that goes. Yeah, so there we go. There's a lot of struggle. It's not a totally finished product. I'm gonna have to take this back off. We're touching here, so I'm gonna have to shave that down quite a bit. There's a huge gap here, and there's a hole there for a speaker. I'll have to get some, I think these are for 6.5s, and then there's a area here. This is where the door handle goes, but because I never had the stock panel, I never got the interior handle. So let's get to doing this other side and see if I can do a better job.
Several days later.
First step, take off the vice grip that's been holding up your window. Oh. And you just hang it on there. And push that side on there. Okay. And then I think you take the spacer and one of these big screws. Into here. But that's a huge gap right there. I guess you just use a really long screw. Pretty sure that's what I did on the other side. Garbage out of there. Of course. Huh. So that's just about the finished product. Let's see if the door will close. Yeah. Closed. Will it open? Yeah. So as long as this piece right here is inside this ridge, the door will close and open. But when I had it flattened out, it wasn't letting the door shut all the way. So, because I need to get a handle for the driver's side, find some speakers, and then I'm going to tap into the factory wires and run my own switches to the center console just to keep these things looking as clean as possible. All right, there you go. One project down, many more to go. I've got my exhaust to build. I got some metal from work so I can build my own little table. That'll be welding up probably in the next video. Then I can get the exhaust done for the car. We can go get it smogged, and then I can start driving it on the street because it freaking runs and drives. Why not, you know? that's gonna do it for me here. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate those of you that have subscribed. If you haven't already, please go ahead and do so. All right, that's gonna do it for us here. Us, it's me, I'm by myself.